What's up, everybody? Okay, so some of you may or may not know that I like to plant stuff. I have a green thumb. But one thing you may not know is I have not one, but two really big aloe plants. Not one, but two really big aloe plants. Started with one plant about 10 years ago, and then I transplanted, and I got another one. And now I even have a baby over here, too. So I got three aloe plants. So what am I doing today? Why am I showing you this? Because I'm going to make my own aloe vera gel. So if you have aloe plants, you should really consider doing this too. All right, so check this out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get you a nice piece of healthy aloe and rinse it off. So rinse it off with water to get any dirt or any other impurities off of it. Next, get some scissors and cut it down to a manageable piece that you can get the juice out of. So I'm just going to cut right here, like so. Okay, see that? Next step is to watch those thorns. Those things hurt. They hurt, y'all. Don't ask me how I know. So you want to take a knife and just kind of splice it, the sides, like so. Voila. Okay. Okay, next step is to now you want to get to the aloe juice itself. So you're going to take the knife again. You're just going to make a thin little slice. Take your time. And you're going to just slice it open. And there is the juice. You see that? All right, let's rock and roll. Okay, so next we're going to take our spoon and we are just going to scoop it off into a bowl, just like that. And just take your time and scoop it off. It's just that simple. And you can see the gel going right into the bowl. Now, you can also put this in a blender and get it, the nice smooth texture that you want. I will probably do that also, but you don't have to. You can literally apply this to your skin. You can even eat aloe vera. Has a lot of health benefits. It's good for your skin. It's good for your hair. It is good for burns and bug bites, minor burns and bug bites. This is all natural right here, people. All natural. So see, there you go. And I'm just going to get rid of that. And you can kind of look inside and see what I have. So if I've been pretty busy, so you can see this right here. So you just put that in the fridge and you have your aloe vera right there. And like I say, I am going to, get the little green pieces. I'm going to take those out and I'm going to put in the blender. So that is it, y'all. That is your aloe vera. And as you can see, I have a lot to do. So I'm going to get busy. All right, guys, y'all take care. And if you have any aloe vera, y'all check it out. I think you can do it. All right, peace.